Hello, traders. This is a U.S. stock review for the week of December 20th. All right, so we have some of our members of our group that trade in the U.S. They're in the U.S. or internationally, and so they trade there. And so for them, I'm just helping them out as they're learning to trade, to learn how to evaluate these stocks. And I'm just kind of giving them a peek of how I'm looking at these trades. So first of all, I've got the two the moving averages, the 20 and the 60. The 20 is over the 60, showing a general uptrend. Although you'll see that Tesla had gone up and hit the all-time high, and then it came back down and found support there, kind of an interim support, although there was a stronger support here. But it went up again, and then it came back down. Look at this, and so here is this support level, and I'm watching to see. So maybe Monday or Tuesday, I want to see the movement here. This candle doesn't look good. It could mean that it could continue going back down, but I'm looking for a bounce from here, and so that's what I'm looking for with Tesla. The next one is ADP. All right. With ADP, you can tell my computer is a bit slow today, my internet. With ADP, I'm seeing this support. It has respected the support once, twice. Here's a third time, and so I want to see what happens here, and if this again Monday or Tuesday, if it will make another swing up. And I was following a channel pattern, but it has gone beyond that now, and I really don't even need that anymore. I can get rid of that. It's taking a different formation now. You can see this. You can watch this up and down swing. And so I want to see if I can catch another swing here. So let's say that it comes down and retraces and goes up. Let's say we enter a trade right here at that level. That's about 3, almost 4% right there. Okay. So that's something I'm looking at. Another one is Wells Fargo and Company. Here it is. And you can see this support level, a couple of times it's respected, and it was respected. It was as a respected as a support and as a resistance much earlier. And then we have this, I was looking for a move up here, but then last week, last Friday was very low for the US stocks as well, and it just went way down. And so now I'm going to observe what happens here with this support, okay, if it will bounce back up. And so then I'm still watching out for this level of resistance. It could face that resistance and come back right down. So I often put my target right here. Like if I find a positive move here, I will put my stop loss at 47.80, something like that, 47.65, and then I would put a target at 49.83. Right at this point, I would put a target, because often you'll find that, see this, it just goes to that level and just comes back down. Now, in case if it doesn't come back down, it just continues going up, and I have set my target there and it sells off, that's fine. Once it goes up, I could even re-enter again if that looks good enough for me. Okay, Cone Robbins, CHRC is something that I have my eyes on. Kind of a not well-known company, but look at this. So I have the moving averages look positive, and here you have 2 times. See this? 2 times it has hit this resistance, and it was rejected. Here it is, very quick move up, and here you'll find a huge wick all the way up here to $10 right there, and then it just kind of has pushed back down again, and I want to see if there's a swing back up. And so again, any trades on this would only be for a Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that, and we'll see what happens. And with Christmas and the New Year vacations coming up, it's be very careful and watch out what kind of a trend we will see. Will it be a bullish trend just because it's the holidays, or what's going to happen? Will it continue with the bearish trend that's been worldwide? Okay, so this is something to keep an eye on. And so here I have four for you: Tesla, ADP, Wells Fargo, and CRHC. So look at these, and please don't buy any of these just because they're on my list, but rather open the charts. Use tradingview.com. I have a link on the bottom of this video for you. You can use that to open an account with TradingView. It's a free account, and you can draw the lines, and all the lines that you draw, support and resistance lines, it will get saved. You can do the triangle patterns, the channel patterns, all of that. Whatever you draw, it remains there in your charts. And so these are lines that I've drawn way back, and it still remains there, and I can continue watching without having to redraw all the lines every time I open it. Okay, so here's a good opportunity for you. Please look carefully and make your own evaluation whether you wish to buy or not. Okay, thank you. I hope it is beneficial for you, and please leave me any comments or questions that you have about this. Put it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer that for you. And then yeah, and that's all. Have a good week of trading.